The next thing I want to show you is more of the research tools and data available within the app if you're simply looking to find investments and you don't necessarily know what you're looking to buy. So we just typed in cryptocurrency from our last example, but I'm going to clear that out because I want to show you the popular lists at the top. The popular lists is a collection of stocks or ETFs within a certain category. So for example, we have one called technology. If you're looking to buy tech stocks, for example, you might click on one of these popular lists to get ideas for potential investments. So if I click on technology, you can see that it offers 819 different stocks here related to tech. So through this list functionality here, you're able to see a number of different technology stocks currently available on Robinhood. There's also a lot of different lists here. You have cannabis stocks, daily movers, crypto, 100 most popular. You can look at upcoming earnings if you're looking to place a bet on a stock that's going to be reporting earnings soon. All kinds of different stuff you can do with these lists. If you scroll down further, they have a good news feed, which is going to show you relevant news related to the stock market. And then one of my favorite things to look at is the top movers for the day to see what stocks are moving up or moving down the most. Now, that being said, let's say you're looking to do some research on a given stock that you want to invest in. There are a couple of good research tools on Robinhood. So let's say, for example, you were looking at purchasing some Apple stock. Well, what you would do is type in the search bar Apple or the symbol, which is AAPL. Then you're going to go ahead and click on that stock, and I want to show you what information you have available to you here. First of all, you can look at a basic price chart to get an idea of the price movement over set periods of time. And if you're somebody who relies on technical stock analysis, you simply click this button and it's going to show you a candlestick chart instead. After that, you get statistics here about trading volume, 52-week high, 52-week low, dividend yield, and different things like that. Then we have the news feed with relevant information and news surrounding that company that has just come out. After that, you have analyst ratings, which shows you what Wall Street analysts think of this stock. So in particular, looking at Apple here, 58% view it as a buy, 33% view it as a hold, and 10% view it as a sell. So for free, everyone out there for many stocks is going to see this section here that has a little bullish and bearish thesis on the stock. So for example, the bullish perspective is why people think the stock is going to go up, and the bearish perspective is why people think the stock may go down. Now, this is a very short, simple explanation. If you want a longer one, you can unlock research reports from Morningstar by signing up for Robinhood Gold for $5 per month. That's going to get you a couple of different perks as well. You get larger instant deposits. You're also going to get level 2 market data, which is going to show you more buy and sell orders and give you a better idea of what that stock is going to be trading at an instant point in time. And it's also going to give you access to margin trading if you want to invest with borrowed money. But to me, the biggest advantage is if you want to get those Morningstar research reports, you'll get much more in-depth information about that company to conduct your research. After that, if we scroll down more, we get an earnings calendar or an earnings chart that shows us whether or not Apple has been beating, meeting, or falling below earnings expectations, lists, and then we have suggested stocks based on what people own as well when they also buy Apple. There's also history here, which shows you guys that I have owned Apple in this portfolio in the past. So if you've owned a stock in the past, that's going to show up down here. There's an About section that tells you more about Apple. And then, of course, you have the trade button if you want to purchase or sell your shares. But there is a lot of great research tools right here within Robinhood. However, if you're looking for more advanced stuff, you may find you have to utilize other brokerages out there for advanced trading tools, paper trading simulators, and different things like that. So it has a lot, but some may find it is limiting in terms of the features that they may be looking for. And so you might have to look elsewhere for more sophisticated tools and research things like that.